script. Have you ever wondered why the sky is blue and not any other color? Picture this. A young child, eyes filled with wonder, gazing up at the vast expanse of the Azure Above, questioning its color. Now let's dive into the science behind this everyday marvel. Though it may surprise you, sunlight, which appears white to our eyes, is actually a cocktail of different colors. Fascinating, isn't it? But why blue, you might ask? Well, our Earth's atmosphere plays a pivotal role here. It scatters short-wavelength light like blue and violet to paint the sky with its distinctive hue. However, why don't we see a violet sky? That's because our eyes are more sensitive to blue light. Moreover, sunlight reaches us more from the blue part of the spectrum rather than the violet. So, the next time you look up at the clear blue sky, remember, it's a delightful play of light scattering and human perception. Ever cut an onion and found yourself tearing up? Ever wondered why that happens? Let's journey into the heart of an onion to uncover this tearful mystery. Picture this, you're in your kitchen, wielding a knife, prepping for dinner. The unsuspecting onion meets the blade and suddenly you're wiping away tears. But why? Here's the science behind it. Onions are packed with a chemical irritant known as syn-propanethyl S-oxide. When you slice into an onion, you break its cells, releasing this substance into the air. This gas then wafts towards your eyes, and here's where the magic happens. The syn-propanethyl S-oxide stimulates your eye's lacrimal glands. These glands in response produce tears to protect your eyes from potential harm. So the next time you're cutting onions and start to tear up, remember it's just the onion's clever defense mechanism at work. It's the onion's way of saying, hey, you might be eating me, but I won't go down without a fight. Isn't it fascinating to find science at work in the most common occurrences around us? We've journeyed through the Azure Above, unraveling the mystery of why the sky paints itself in shades of blue. It's a dance of sunlight and molecules, a ballet of refraction and scattering, turning the canvas of the sky into a masterpiece of blue. Then we stepped into the kitchen and faced the formidable onion, armed with its tear-inducing defense mechanism. A simple act of cutting an onion, and we're caught in a chemical warfare with sulfur compounds turning into a gas that brings tears to our eyes. These are but two examples of how science permeates our everyday life, turning the mundane into the marvelous. From the colors of the sunset to the aroma of baking bread to the tears from an onion, science is not just confined to labs and textbooks. Who knew that our daily life is filled with such wonderful scientific phenomena? Remember, science is everywhere.